Hi, my name's Dave from Dizzyfish, and this is one of their jobs that we've just completed. This job was fantastic for us because we got in really early, which meant we could run the cables when it was still getting built. We had to run cables to 9 different rooms around the house to give the customer some good sound, some good video, and the ability to change the sound and video that they wanted to in each room. We also had to incorporate with what the designer and the electrician was doing in terms of the design of the house, and everything had to fit in well. The cinema room, we wanted to create something that was a target room in the house, somewhere that people would go to specifically watch films or sports, not just in another room that was used for other purposes. So we used a cinema build system screen, which is huge, and it gives us a fantastic 4K image on it. To complement that, we've also got a Sony 4K projector into the equation, which gives the best picture we can see, and we always recommend jobs. We've got an RCAM Dolby Atmos surround sound amplifier which is feeding the room. It's based down in the rack system downstairs, but it feeds the room remotely up here. And we have speakers, we've gone for Art Acoustic. In the ceiling we have 2 mid speakers and 2 rear speakers, and behind the actual screen we've built a cavity into the wall where our speakers are, and the screen's acoustically transparent, so the speakers can play through the screen. In there we've got the front left, front right and centre, and we've got 2 huge subwoofers as well, powered by a big subwoofer amp down in the comms cupboard as well. For Multiroom, we've got Bluestream Multiroom Streamer, which is streaming Sky from 4 boxes, CCTV and a Roku stick around the house. All the TVs are smart anyway, so they have their own capabilities to get onto any of the apps, Netflix, Amazon Prime, whatever. But it's just to give that extra added coverage. Sonos is around the house too, to give the ability to play different music in different rooms, or the same music around the house, or however you want to play it, which works incredibly well. We're going to be upgrading to have in-ceiling subwoofers as well to improve the bass in the rooms too, and that's in the second phase. What we added for the cinema room as well is an ELAN control system which controls the blinds, it controls the windows, it switches the projector on, it makes sure it's on the right input, and it has the sound going to the volume that you're happy with, all with one press of the button, or you can tailor it quite easily through an app or through the remote control from ELAN. ELAN's a fantastic system that can bring in your heating and your thermostats and such like as well. We're also adding in the CCTV and the gate entry at a future date as well. Because the interior designer was creating such a fantastic house, we had to ensure that technology wasn't overlapping it and making it all look out of place. So everything had to appear discreet and appear almost invisible in the home, and I think we've achieved that with what we've done. We also worked alongside the electrician closely because we have lighting control in the house, and we needed to have him on board to allow us to bring that to fruition. Interior designer's done a fantastic job. The house looks great, and we worked really well as a team. That's the whole crux to getting any of these projects off the ground and to work successfully for the client.